Welcome to the Canon EOS 90D Digital SLR camera with 18 to 135 mm lens. This camera is an advanced DSLR camera perfect for both novice and experienced users alike. The EOS 90D has an impressive 32.5 megapixel CMOS sensor, making it perfect for capturing stunningly detailed photos and videos. The camera's Dual Pixel CMOS AF system provides fast and precise autofocus that keeps up with your subject, and the wide range of ISO sensitivities helps ensure clear images in any lighting condition. The 18-135mm lens provides a versatile range of focal lengths, perfect for portrait, landscape, and sports photography. It has a fast f/5.6 aperture, making it great for shooting in low light. The lens also features built-in image stabilization for capturing sharp images and videos, even when shooting handheld. The EOS 90D is also compatible with a wide range of Canon lenses and accessories, giving you the flexibility and versatility to capture the perfect shot. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning more about the Canon EOS 90D Digital SLR camera with 18-135mm lens.